Come here. Come here. Wow. Well, we're out on Lower Beeding. Lower Beeding, Eastlands Farm. Today, look, Gizmo, look, what's that? You're missing everything because you ain't got your eyes open. You won't never be able to chase them. All we have here is pheasants and partridge, no rabbits no more. Don't see any deer anymore. The disappearance of the rabbits has got me. Just don't understand it. I mean, if the buzzards are killing the rabbits, wouldn't they kill the pheasants? I don't know. I don't know how that works. Still lovely walks, and we do still see quite a lot of nature. Just most of it, they want to shoot it, but then I guess that's the part of the farm, isn't it? A working farm. We're lucky to have footpaths, public footpaths. Aren't we, Gizmo? Where would we walk? Where would we walk, Gizmo? We can have public footpaths. Eh? Up and down the main road. Very good. But I'm not sure what the weather's going to be like for the next few weeks. So that's where most people go, up there. But that's not actually a footpath. The public footpath is here. But no one ever uses this part because it's a bit muddy and boggy, but this is the actual footpath. If you want to play it by the rules, which I do. That'd be too quick for you, Gizmo. I don't want him to get anything anyway. It's the last thing I want. Do a short walk today to the end of this where it joins the main road at Warning Lid. That'd do me. Oh, that'd do Gizmo, should I say. I'd like to get him out a couple of times a week if I can. Decent walks. yeah, it's a normal walk anyway, but I don't video them. And video our longer ones. Oh Jesus, that's slippery. Sorry Jesus. Yeah, when that chalk gets a little bit algae like that, it's very slippery. Oh, Jesus, it's ice. Oh, I just did see a deer then. So I'll take that back about the deer. I literally just see a deer. Hope I can get there and back before it rains. Don't mind it if it's drizzling. Not too heavy. I wonder what they're up there. Little partridges, maybe. Loads of them. Gizmo had one of those partridges the other day in our garden. Didn't like it. I let him out. He ran straight to the edge of the hedge and got his partridge, didn't he? Poor little thing. I've not brought my drone today because I quite often do shoots on Saturdays, well, weekends, Saturdays and Sundays, and I didn't want to get it blasted out of the sky, so I didn't bring it. I know I'm allowed to fly it because there's no flight restrictions here and I'm all above board with my licence and everything, but I still don't want to take the skies if they're shooting. Just be on the safe side. There's quite a lot of rain the last couple of days, so not too bad. Thought it was going to be worse than this. This is all bridle way, this. What are you seeing, Gizmo? It's another pheasant. Nice walk today. Nice temperature. I'm not sure what it is, but it feels nice. It's probably at 15 degrees, something like that. Just nice for walking. How about that? It sounds quite close. There's no road though. For about a mile away. And a big lorry or something, I guess. That's all been cut down since I was here last. I'd love to see a rabbit. Another thing. Another thing. I mean, this field here, you'd think would be teeming with them, lush fresh grass. Not a rabbit to be seen. Very strange. I've been here, look, there's a buzzard, it's over there on that tree. Another one just landing. So this could well be why we've got no rabbits. But then why don't they take the pheasants as well? Can't they get them? I wonder. I've never seen a buzzard eating a rabbit neither. So, I don't know. It's just not the countryside that I grew up in, let's put it that way. It's very hostile in some places. I think that's since we lost the right to wander. That's when that happened. So we all have to stick to footpaths now, which is probably a good thing in a way. At least everyone knows where they stand on a footpath. It used to be nice where I grew up. I used to walk across the fields with the dog. Not worry about anything. Walking right by your home, take your dog for a walk would be, you think, would be what most people would want. But since that's all stopped, you're not allowed to do that. You take the wider route along the footpaths, you're out and about more because you have to go further to get to the footpaths than that. Whereas before, you was out the way, just around your own place, 5-minute walk back home. Now it's like a 3-hour walk all over the place. I suppose in the end we win, don't we? In that respect, at least we get exercise more. Just feel sorry for people that are stuck in flats and towns where they got nothing like this. This video is for them, so you can get to see it. For those that can't get out, feel the love. As we obey the laws and don't do anything that's not lawful or legal, then we're not doing nothing wrong, are we? Like anyone think I'm breaking the law by walking on a footpath and recording it? If you think I'm breaking the law, leave a comment in the description and tell me why. Because there are people that believe that to be the case. I might not be much of a hill on the camera, but it sure is. There's a lot of cars here. Well, I mean, I say these videos are for people that can't get out, but to be honest with you, a lot of them are for me, so I can look back. When Gizmo's no longer here, or when I'm too old to do the walks, I can just put my headset on, the VR headset, load one of these walks up, and it'd be like I'm there. This little giddy boy. I call him Giddy because he chases his tail a lot. He gets himself all dizzy. So his nickname is Giddy. In fact, he's called that more than he is Gizmo. Right, stay with me now. We don't know what's here, do we? All we know is it's a public footpath. All we don't know is any big dogs, stray animals, horses walk around here with their owners, but they still walk around here. Don't give them a startle or anything. McLaren? That's McLaren. British gas on the front and McLaren on the side. Weird. One of the very first footpaths I walked when I got to the village, when I moved in the village. Years and years and years and years ago. This is one of the very first footpaths I've done. Come on. Pony. Good got one. See the footpath sign directly in front of us. Tells us to go to the right, so that's what we always do. Alright, this is it. This is as far as we go today. Okay.